Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, July 11, 2022. Today's video is about Duke Humfrey's library. Duke Humfrey's library is the oldest reading room in the Bodleian Library at the University of Oxford in Oxford, England. It is named after Humfrey, Duke of Gloucester, who donated 281 books after his death in 1447. Sections of the libraries were restored and expanded in the 16th and 17th centuries, including the addition of a second story, and east and west wings. The library currently functions as a reading room. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.